Hello friends, here you are seeing iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, we are going to see the ringtone Elec Synth Ringtone. Just go to the settings first and then go to sounds and vibration, and here select phone ringtone, and here you can select Elec Synth. Okay, just I am selecting it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.